Invasive species can wreak havoc far beyond what most people imagine. And now the United States is facing a surprising newcomer, a tiny parasitic wasp previously unknown on this continent. But here's where it gets controversial. This minute insect could rearrange the delicate balance of native ecosystems in ways we're only beginning to understand. Let's dive into what makes this discovery so significant and why it should catch your attention. First detected on both the east and west coasts, the parasitic wasp known as Bootanomyia dorsalis is originally from Europe and has just been documented in the U.S. for the first time. Scientists unveiled this finding while conducting research on North American oak gall wasps and their parasitoids, a group of insects that play intricate roles in forest ecosystems. According to a report from Binghamton University, the arrival of B. dorsalis may be linked to human activities, such as the planting of non-native oak trees, which could have carried these wasps unknowingly. Alternatively, these tiny invaders, capable of adult lifespans up to 27 days, might have hitched a ride on airplanes, an unsettling reminder of how global travel can inadvertently spread species worldwide. These revelations were detailed in an article published by the Journal of Hymenoptera Research. Although Bootanomyia dorsalis measures only about 1 millimeter, its ecological role is anything but small. This wasp belongs to a fascinating group called parasitoid wasps, which lay their eggs inside other insects or plant structures to develop. Specifically, B. dorsalis parasitizes oak gall wasps, another group of parasitoids known for inducing oak trees to grow small, protective galls that serve as nurseries for their larvae. Imagine these galls as tiny cradle-like sacs where oak gall wasp offspring incubate. The invasive B. dorsalis cleverly exploits this setup by depositing its own eggs inside these galls. Once hatched, the young B. dorsalis consume both the oak gall wasp larvae and the gall tissue itself, disrupting this unique host-parasite relationship. North America is rich in oak diversity, hosting approximately 90 oak species and about 800 species of gall wasps that depend on them. In other words, this continent provides a vast buffet for B. dorsalis, which raises critical questions about the potential consequences. Could this invasive wasp threaten native ball wasp populations, potentially altering forest ecology in ways we haven't yet imagined? And if so, what ripple effects might that have on the insects, birds, and other wildlife that interact with these oaks? It's crucial to clarify that these parasitic wasps pose no threat to humans directly. However, their presence highlights how interconnected human actions, like moving plants and global transport, can introduce species that quietly reshape ecosystems. This discovery leads to a larger debate. Should efforts be made to control such tiny invaders, or do we accept some ecological shifts as inevitable in our changing world? What do you think? Are invasive species like Bootanomyia dorsalis an alarming threat deserving immediate action, or are they just part of natural adaptation? Share your thoughts and let's spark a conversation about the unseen insects changing our environment.